People who say being a cabin crew is bad are lying to themselves. Today, I'm going to share you the shocking reality and the numbers that cabin crew get working in the flights for hours and hours. Today's video is all about the salaries that we get while flying in the aircraft. I will share with you every little secret and every little detail about the salaries that we get in this video today. Hi, my name is Priya and I'm an ex-Qatar Airways cabin crew. Through this channel, I share my journey of being a cabin crew and we talk all things about cabin crew. In this video today, I already mentioned we'll be talking about salaries, we'll be talking numbers, we'll be revealing the secrets. But first, we get started. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like this video if you like my content, drop a comment down below what would you like to know next. And please do not forget the bell icon in case you need updates from my channel. So let's get started. Buckle up, we are ready to take off. Before I start this video, I would like to suggest all of you guys that the salaries that I'm talking today is the entry level salary, that is the cabin crew who works in economy class. And this salary description today is specifically about Qatar Airways because I worked only for Qatar Airways and I received the salary only from Qatar Airways. So I will discuss only the things that I have gotten. So, yes, let's get started. Let's talk money. Starting with the salary aspect, the cabin crew doesn't really receive the same amount of money every month. There's not a certain number that I can give you, but I can explain you the variables of the salary of a cabin crew. So basically, there are three components in the salary of the cabin crew that are divided as basic salary, then you have the flying hours allowance, and then you have the meal allowance. Totaling all of that, you will get the whole salary of a cabin crew in the end of the day. So let's get started with the base salary. What exactly is the base salary? Base salary is something that is fixed. That is something that you're gonna get no matter how much you fly or how less you fly, or maybe you don't fly at all. No matter of those aspects, but you will get this salary no matter what. This base salary is actually nice, but the base salary for Qatar Airways in 2025 currently for entry level cabin crew is 4,000 Qatari riyals, which is equivalent to 1,100 US dollars. This salary is not changeable, it is the basic salary. And yeah, you must be thinking, you said it's amazing, but it doesn't look amazing. But this is just the starting, don't worry about it. This is just the starting, it's not even the half of it. And we will get back to that. Coming to the second aspect of the salary, that is flying hours. As you know, the magic really happens in the air. Yes, as much as you fly, we get paid per hour on top of the base salary for working in the aircraft. From the door closing until the door opens in the destination, we get paid for every single minute that we are in that aircraft. So the per hour salary for the basic, the economy class cabin crew in Qatar Airways is 56 Qatari riyals per hour, which is actually equivalent to 15 to $16 depending on the rates per hour. And according to me, if you ask me, maximum number of times I have never done less than 90 hours per month. So you can do the math. $15 into 90 or more, like depending, but the maximum that a cabin crew can do with Qatar Airways, as per what I know, is 120 hours per month, and more than that will become very exhausting. I think it's even illegal. By the end of the year, you must not have more than certain numbers of hours that I will be discussing in another video. Sticking to this video, we're gonna talk about the third most important aspect of our salary in the monthly basis, is our layovers. Yeah, you guessed me right. They not only pay your tickets to go to certain countries, they not only pay your hotels, but they also pay you an allowance to spend there. Yes, you don't get it immediately, you get it in your salary, but whenever you go to a destination, depending on the expenses of the destination, for example, one place is more expensive than the other place, they give you meal allowance so that you can have food there, you can enjoy your meals and you don't even have to pay for that. So that's one more amazing thing. All the aviation companies, all the aviation industry gets this, all the cabin crew gets this in the world. So whenever you have a layover, you will be paid the food. Either they will pay you for it or they will have free the food free of cost. Sorry. So yeah, that's the sum up of the salary at the end of the day. And doesn't end here. After you complete, like for example, 90 hour, you can do the math how it works. This is the approximate salary that you get as a cabin crew working for Qatar Airways, and the things don't end here. You must be thinking, what about the deductions? What about the taxes? What about the other aspects? But let me tell you one thing, working for Qatar Airways or any Middle Eastern airlines, there is one more benefit that nobody else recognizes: tax benefits of being in Middle Eastern airline. In Qatar Airways, you get everything that you make, you give nothing, zero to the government. You might give some deductions in the terms of, probation or something, but everything you will get refund of it as soon as you complete your contract for 2 years. So, yes, you heard me right. Good salary, good allowance, free layovers, free travel, very discounted prices on everything. And on top of that, you get zero tax and you get amazing place to live in that is free of cost. Yes, of course, you heard us right. We get a free of cost place to live. So, yeah, at the end of the day, if you're telling me cabin crew is a bad job, I will highly disagree. It's an amazing job, and if you think it's bad for you, think again. It's an amazing way to spend your time and make some money in that time of your life. Okay, I almost forgot. Like I promised you, I will tell you about the bonus. So once you join Qatar Airways, there's a bonus waiting for you. Apart from tax-free salary, apart from great pay in the company just from the beginning, and apart from free accommodation and meal allowance for your layover, you also get a bonus to start your day with in Qatar Airways. Yes, of course, when you join the airline, they give you a bonus of 1 to 2,000 Qatari riyal depending on the situations. I'm not sure because when I entered Qatar Airways, I received a bonus of 2,000 Qatari riyals, that is approximately 550 US dollars, just to pass my month when I was training. So, yes, of course, there is a lot of benefits being a part of Qatar Airways and being a cabin crew for them. And of course, it's a hard work, I will agree, but at the end of the day, it's all worth it. And if you haven't, please go ahead and check out more videos on my channel so you know better how to become a cabin crew for Qatar Airways or any other airline that you dream for. That's it. That's my from my side. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will follow along. In my next video, I will be sharing you more spicy news about Qatar Airways, and I will be sharing my experience, my tips and tricks about getting into aviation and going through these interviews very smoothly. So follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Leave your comments. What would you like to know? I will come up with all the videos that you request on the comment section, and like the video if you like my content. See you again. Bye.